Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today we'll discuss the timesheet in Excel and how we can make it. Here you can see the data which is already given here. In the data we have the time in timeout and first half and the second half. And what we have to do, we have to write the number of hours overtime and the total daily hours. And here you can write any date, like I randomly put the date here. And in the department you can write any department, like the employee ID is given, and like I write finance department. And then we have the hours completed. We have to write the first hour and the second hour. So how can we write equals to, and then we have to write the function which is if function. And in the function we just write here three boxes, in which first one, time in subtract or time out close bracket. Then here you can see we have write the time in timeout. Again we plus add from the second one, which is timeout minus time in bracket close. Here you can see the function. This is our first timeout and time in, then add the second time out and time in, and then we just close the bracket, multiply by 24. And this is our function. Like if it's greater than 8, then we consider it 8. Else, like if the total number of hours multiplied by 24 equals to, now what we have to do, like you can see here, this is our first half, like time out time in, and then time out first one. Like this is our first series, multiplied by 24 means if the number of hours is greater than 8, so we consider it 8. Else, if it's not greater than 8 hours, so we will just calculate the number of hours. And here you can see, because the total number of hours is greater than 8, that's why it considered it only 8. Now if I change the number of hours, so it will also change here functions. Now what we have to write here, overtime. And the overtime, if the person is exceeding the time out thing, which is our standard time. So how we can write, we write equals to then two brackets, first time out minus time in bracket close, and then we add again the same thing with this one, and then minus with the standard time, like time bracket 8 comma 0 comma 0. Then we just close the bracket with the standard format. Like this is our two time functions, and in the function we just subtract the standard time, which is 8 hour. So we will get the remaining hours. Like here you can see it says 0 because it has completed its on time. And here you can see if the person any person who did more than its work, so here you can see it's overtime. Now total daily hours, you just need to sum up the hours and then the second hour, and press here, we can press here enter, and the function will complete, and you can see the total number of hours. Now just drag it down, so you will get the total number of hours. Then we have to again use the sum function for all these values. So I just select the bracket, press here enter, and you just need to drag it down, and you just select and make the center alignment, so it will work in the way. And you can just add another color. So this is how it's completed all function. Thank you.